Video na lang yun, okay? 3, 2, 1, red.
Ay, wait. Teka, 1, go. Ganyan. 1, 2, 3. Faster.
Circle. Ha?
Faster.
Oo, oh.
Sa sayo.
Circle.
Game.
3, 2, 1.
Hula hoop.
Ay, wait lang. Wheel ang sasabihin ko. O, sige.
Wait lang, wheel, hula hoop. Game.
3, 2, 1, round. 3, 2, 1, basketball. Okay,
Tuloy-tuloy.
next.
3.
Wait lang. 3, 2, 1,
red.
shoes. Oh, meron ako.
3, 2, 1,
Nike.
sneakers. Oh.
Ano?
Sneakers.
Oh, 3, 2, 1, Jordan.
Basketball.
3, 2, 1, professional.
Oh, legend.
3, 2, 1, Lea
Idol.
Salonga.
Oh, game na. 3.
Wait lang.
Game.
3, 2, 1, singer.
Ah! Sasabihin ko dapat singer.
3, 2, 1, performance.
Ano?
Performance music. Oh!
Game. 3, 2, 1,
dancer.
performance.
Oh! Ano sa'yo?
Music performance.
Pinaghalo lang eh. 3, 2, 1, competition. Ha?
Game.
Wait lang. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1.
Ano kay dad?
Dancers, 3, 2, 1.
Street Woman Fighter. Oh! Dancer! Street Woman Fighter. Dapat isa tayo ng iniisip. 3, 2, 1, Latrice.
Dance.
3, 2, 1,
winner.
guesting. Ah. 3, 2, 1, Royal Family.
Nasabi na yun.
Hindi pa.
Nasabi ko na.
Royal Family,
Oo.
hindi pa.
Ang kabi nga.
Si Kristen lang ang sinabi mo. Royal
Jam
Family.
Republic at Royal Family.
3, 2, 1, Ling. Ayun.
Tuloy, meron pa.
3, 2, 1, skin.
Oh.
Skin.
3,
3, 2, 1, tan.
chocolate.
Sabi ko lang isa sa
Tan at chocolate.
3,
3, 2, 1, color. 3, 2, 1,
food.
air. Ha?
Food.
Ah.
If you know, you know.
3, 2, 1, siomay. 3, 2, 1, dim sum.
Order dim sum. Game.
Wait lang! 3, 2, 1, craving.
Ano yan?
Cravings. 3, 2, 1, seafood. 3, 2, 1, shrimp. What that seafood? Shrimp. 3, 2, 1, allergy. Favorite allergy?
Favorite allergy.
Ay, wait lang. 3, 2, 1,
Allergic
rhinitis.
rhinitis.
Okay na yun. Pasok yun.